What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Fabe here, back with yet another one, and today I got a classic one for you guys. Today we got the copper Foamposites. Now this is the 2017 pair, but due a little age, some wear and tear, sole's got a little yellowed here. But no worries, we got that good old Fabes Sole Sauce. We're gonna go ahead and ice these bad boys back to factory perfection. Come with me, I'm gonna show you how. Let's get a quick little overview of the shoes and the soles here, just to see how bad they are. And from the looks of it, they don't look that bad actually. Looks like it's gonna be about 1 or 2 sessions max here. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the left shoe here, which happens to be on the right side. And let's see what kind of results we'll get. First things first, we wanna take our Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to the affected area only. Now in these Foamposites, that happens to be majority of the sole here, except for that middle area with the ridges and the penny logo. So apply a layer of Fabes Sole Sauce and then smooth it in evenly with a paintbrush, as you can see here. Now Foamposites are the type of shoes you can do sole icings on without worry. The shoes are pretty much indestructible from the soles to that Foamposite material. So if you're simply just scared to mess up a pair of kicks and you have an old pair of foams just laying around, those will be the perfect pair to practice on. And it's understandable that a lot of people won't have a steady hand when it comes to using the paintbrush. They won't be comfortable with doing the process itself. So with Foamposites, once again, like if I was to get it in that middle ridge area, it'd be perfectly fine and safe and no harm will come to it. So once again, Foamposites are a great base starting point if you're just coming into sole icing. Now moving right along, you want to go ahead and get the sides and the toe cap because we want to make sure that's nice and icy with the rest of the soles here. And after we got a nice even layer of sauce here, we're ready for the next step. After that, you'll want to cover the soles with a clear wrap. As I always instruct, and as you can see here, I like to use 2 pieces and have them meet in the middle of the soles here. It creates a nice tight seal to keep the sauce nice and moist on the soles, which in turn allows for longer, more effective sessions. Press down on the sides there and you're good to go. After that, you'll simply want to place them under sunlight or UV light if you have one. Now if you do have a UV light, you can go ahead and extend your sessions anywhere from 24 to 48 hours straight. And if you don't have a UV light, I recommend using the sun from sun up till sundown. You can do that by leaving them outside or by a windowsill. After your session is over, simply remove the clear wrap, wash off that remaining sauce with some water, some soap, a little elbow grease, and then compare your results. And these are the results after just one 48-hour session. Icy. I mean, they weren't that bad from the start, but as you can see, they are significantly better. They are actually ready to go. They are looking factory fresh, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. But that is not how I do around here. For me, I'm just not satisfied with the results here. As you can see, there are some slight blemishes there on the heels and on the edges there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit these with 1 more sessions just to see if we can get that Fabes Sole spit shine on them. Just that extra session that takes them over the top. You know, that makes the haters scream fake or new shoe or sole swap. So let's go ahead and repeat the process. And here are the final results after just 2 sessions at 48 hours each session, totaling just 96 hours of treatment time. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, they are factory fresh and ready to go. That spit shine definitely did help, as you can see there. Got out those last little blemishes, and it might have a blemish or two here and there, but as you can see, once again, significantly better from where they were. There you go, you can get a nice little side profile there. Nice comparison from where they were to where they are. And as you can see, as I rotated here, it still got that creasing on the heel there. So yeah, same pair. You can purchase your bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce at www.fabesole.com, where I offer 3 different size variants in the form of a 4-ounce, an 8-ounce, and a 16-ounce bottle. Use discount code FIREWORKS at checkout. And there you have it, folks. Very simple, very easy process. All you need is a little bit of time, effort, and that good old Fabes Sole Sauce, and you'll have your soles back to icy in no time. Now, yes, I do understand some people prefer to have them yellowed. The aged look is something that's in style right now. I too like the aged look. I like them on the midsole of Jordan 1s, Jordan 3s, and Jordan 4s. But if a sole's supposed to be icy, I like them icy. Now, aside from the cosmetics of it, it also adds value back to the shoe. So, if you ever go to sell this pair, more than likely this pair is going to sell quicker and for more money than this pair. So, Fabes Sole Sauce is just giving you that option. Now, if this video helped you out, please like and subscribe to the channel, for I'll have plenty more videos to come. I'll also be doing giveaway announcements soon, so you want to be in tune for that. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.